Hello everyone. I'm excited to talk about our project Heart Health, a special web application that can help us take better care of our hearts. We all know heart disease is a serious problem. It is the number one cause of death around the world. Many people don't know that they are at risk until it's too late. But with Project Heart Health, we can find out early and take steps to prevent it. Whether you are young or old, knowing your risk can help you make better choices. Eating healthy food, exercising regularly, and knowing where to get help can save lives. Our project helps patients know about their heart disease as well and be able to take steps forward in preventing them. In our website, we provide various features like assessment forms, medical report analysis, chatbot to help patients understand about their problem severity. So the tech stack of our project is MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, and Python. So we used the backend Python framework, which is Flask. So the workflow of our project is the user can communicate with the front-end React.js through user interface, and the React.js communicates with the backend through Axios, and the backend can communicate with the Python ML model through Flask endpoint, and the Python ML model will predict the percentage of heart risk and send the response back to Flask, which is sent back to Express.js, and the Express communicates with React.js. It sends the response to React.js back, and this is how the high-level workflow of our Heart Health project is. So the top features in our project are assessment forms, medical reports, chatbot, and self-assessment test. Once you open the web application, the first page is login or sign up. User will be able to create separate accounts for his heart sessions, ensuring privacy and modularity.
So here is our Heart Health website. As soon as you log into our Heart Health website, you will be greeted with a login screen, and you'll also have an option to register if you are new here. So since we don't have an account right now, let us register our account. So we will be providing our full name, our email address, and our password. Now, after you provided your details, if you click on register, you will be provided to verify your given email address. You'll have to go to your mail and verify your given email address by clicking on verify email. After that, you will be able to log in.
The first page is dashboard. This is the place where the user will be able to view his previous health reports as well as few tips to get around the website, along with newly generated fun fact every time you log in.
Here is the dashboard for the website. As soon as you log in, you will be greeted with a welcome as well as some tips which will be helpful in navigation of the website. As well as every time you log in, you will be getting a new fun fact about your heart, which will be helpful to about knowing more about your heart.
So next you will be provided with two assessment forms. So the first assessment forms uses machine learning algorithm, uh, which is random forest classifier, and the second one uses logistic regression. So based on the details provided by the user, it will predict the percentage of heart risk.
You'll be able to access the assessment forms through the navigation bar. You'll have two assessment forms. It is called Swift and Swift 2. If you click on Swift and enter the details, enter the age, enter the gender. Once you click on submit, you will be able to look at your percentage of heart disease, and also you will be able to have a few recommendations from the machine learning model, which suggests some diet plans, some exercise plans, and some daily routines. As you can see, based on the given assessment, it predicted that there will be a 25.51% chance that there might be a heart disease for the user. And according to the given inputs, you will be able to see that it generated some diet plans, some exercise plans, and some lifestyle changes for the user. Now, the user will be able to access all of his results using this previous results button, where he'll be able to view all his previous data which he has given and be able to download them as well. Now, for the second assessment form, this is more like a general form where we will be able to only choose the options and not enter any technical values. We will be able to notice that based on the given information, he has a higher chance of getting a heart disease. Now, according to this information as well, it will be generating diet plans, exercise plans, and lifestyle changes. Now, since the heart disease percentage is greater for the user, it will also show us a button which will help us to find nearby cardiologists for the based on user's location. So as you can see, it is going to redirect us to Google Maps and it is going to show us all the nearby hospitals in our location.
And the next feature is medical report scanning. Our website encourages users to upload their medical reports to get in-depth analysis. The report analysis mentions various parameters and their possible ranges in the given report.
Here is the medical report analysis page. After you go to the page, you will be given a prompt to choose an image. You can choose a medical report from your local system. For example, I'll be choosing report.png file. Once I hit on submit, it will show what the image we have uploaded and it will generate a result through which it will go through all our medical details and provide us with the details of the medical report. As you can see, it has provided the details, the report parameters, and a summary for the given medical report. This will be helpful if a person doesn't know how to read a report.
So the next one is self-assessment form. Our website provides a self-assessment form which takes natural languages as input from the user and provides suggestions and plan of actions.
Now, here is a self-assessment form of our website. This assessment form takes in the input from the user through natural language. For example, I'll be able to fill the details like this, giving my name, giving my age and gender, and given the field, we'll be able to input them in natural language and we'll be able to get some suggestions from the model. As you can see from the given assessment result, we will be able to notice our changes in lifestyles and balanced diet according to the given information.
Lastly, our website provides a built-in chatbot with the power of artificial intelligence, which can answer any questions related to heart health.
The chatbot interface is shown in the top of the website. Once we access the website, you will be able to chat with our chatbot. You will be able to ask any queries related to your heart diseases and it will be able to answer and clear out your confusion. Now, as you can see, with the question I have provided, it has given me the in-depth information and it will also be able to solve our problems. Our project has a few additional features such as in the dashboard, you will be able to view your most recent result when you submit an assessment form, as well as you'll be able to distinguish between the assessment forms which you have submitted in the previous results section under the assessment forms navbar. You will also be able to find a button which says find nearby cardiologists on our website, which will show the nearby cardiologists and be able to help you with the finding them easily. Lastly, through your profile, you will be able to access and view your results, and you will be able to track your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and your heart rate achieved through your assessment forms details. This concludes the presentation of Heart Health website. We hope you like the presentation. Thank you.